Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. I have a Gratis haul for you. It has not been long since I got my Gratis, and basically what I showed you guys in the last video was what had been accumulating during the month of April, and then I got it in the beginning of May. Our bins were getting a little full, so we went ahead and scribed again, and so this is what I've been accumulating this far in May. You guys probably may not even see this for several days after I film it, but this is basically what I've been getting in May, and I have a lot to show you guys, so let's jump right in. The first thing I got was something a little like special that I was able to get, and this is the Boscia Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. And I actually already use this. Usually, you know, I like leave my Gratis alone until I film with it, but I was excited to try that. It came in a cute little bag, and it came with this cute pin, which is like just like the jar of the mask, and it has a little spatula too. I went ahead and used this mask, and I actually really like it. It's antioxidant. It is good for redness, which I can definitely tell like when I used it. Obviously, I have a lot of makeup on, so you don't see my redness, but the redness was really calm and soothing. You can barely see it at all. But matcha is like a great antioxidant for the skin, which is going to be like the biggest benefit of it. It also gives you healthy, radiant, youthful looking skin over time. So that's what it says here. So far, I really like it. I've used it once. I posted it on Instagram. You should go check out my Instagram right here, and I will definitely continue to use this. The next thing I got is a brush. So this is the Sephora Pro Slanted Buffing Brush. I have not unpackaged this, so let me do that really quick. You guys have seen me do my foundation before if you've been around for a little while, been a subscriber. I usually use a beauty blender, some type of blending sponge. That is generally what I do. I do have a couple foundations though that will probably work a little bit better with a brush, so I'm excited to try this out. So this is what it looks like. It is slanted, and it's a very dense, thick brush. You can see there's like little movement there, but it feels like it's going to be really good for buffing it out. Very like dense, but also soft, so as you're like massaging it in, it doesn't feel rough or anything like that. So I'm excited to give this one a try, and Sephora Pro brushes are actually one of my favorite type of brushes. These and the Morphe Elite brushes are some of my like favorites. I actually just have them all together because I love them kind of equally, but these are pretty pricey, so I am happy to get this in Gratis. Next, I got the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. Mine is in P20, and that's what it looks like there. It looks like a little light just container wise, but I did match myself to this. It will probably not be perfect right in the middle of summer because I am getting a little bit of color. Today I've got on the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in L70, which is like six or seven shades in, and usually I'm like the first 2 or 3. So you can see there's a little bit of a difference there, but they're not too far off. So this will definitely carry me into winter. I also got the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Mattifying H2O Gel Primer. This will be good in the summertime because it's literally the only time I use a mattifying primer is in the summer. I tend to get oilier as it gets hotter, and down here in Alabama, the humidity will have your face like dripping down, so mattifying is actually really good, and I like the gel consistency of this one. I've got several packets from Diva Curl. So I got the Build Up Buster Micellar Water Cleansing Serum. I actually really like this one. I love that after I've gone like 4 or 5 days. Oh, I got 2 of them. After I go several days without washing my hair, it tends to feel like all that dry shampoo and the oil mixing, it tends to feel kind of cakey. So yeah, that should be good. I also got the Melted to Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask and the Styling Cream Curl Definer. These will probably both go to my mom because she has curlier hair. Like, my hair is straight in compared to her. Like, I have to really work to get this curl, and her hair is like super curly. So 2 for me and 2 for her. I also got a little bag from Drunk Elephant. It's really cute. I love the little elephant symbol, and this is really cute and like sporty looking. So looks like I got a few different things in here, and these are all like mini sizes. This is a 1/2 ounce of the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. This is more like a serum, which I know a lot of people don't realize. I think it's like a gel moisturizer, but it's more like a serum. And I got the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. I think I have one of these that I haven't tried out yet in a mini. I'll have to look, but I am excited to try it, and it's got cantaloupe in it. And then I also have the Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense SPF 30, so this one has like a little tint to it. I will probably use this when I go like walking around my neighborhood, if I go for like a walk or a run or something like that. Those are the 3 that came in a little bag, so thank you. I really like that. From Way, I got the Dry Texture Foam. This will be cool to create like a beachy look. My hair is hard to get like that really wavy look, so this will hopefully help with that. And it says like a pomade without the weight. Invisible texturizing foam adds all over hold, thickness, and grit. For instant I'm from Paris undone texture. I could use some grit. My hair is very fine and soft. I also got the Sephora Collection Lash Craft Curler. So I actually kind of needed an eyelash curler. Mine's looking a little worse for wear, so that's the one that I got. Also from Sephora Collection, I got the Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying with Zinc and Copper. I will tell you, I do not like the smell of this. It probably works really well, but the smell is very strong. But I don't know what it smells like. It's not like a horrifying smell. It's just like metallic almost, with just like the zinc and the copper in it. But I don't know. I will still try it out because it's not gonna like stop me from using it. It's just like a little weird. I also got the Caudalie Purifying Mask. This one I'm really excited about. And this one is non-drying that purifies and absorbs excess sebum for clarified and matte skin with visibly radiant complexion. Okay. I can get down with that, especially in the summertime. I could use a little bit more. I got from Too Faced the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I actually think I have one in my little Too Faced paper refrigerator back there. I think I have one, so I really need to try it. Like, I put them in there because I was like, oh, I want to fill the little refrigerator up, and then like never touch the products because it's in that box. So I need to pull those back out and give them a try, but I'm really excited to have this. I do like this primer because it is matte, but it's also a little hydrating at the same time. Like, it's the perfect blend, especially if you have combination skin. Also got the Sephora Collection Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. I don't know if I'll keep that one for myself or just put that in a giveaway. Got so many mascaras to try. And then I got the Stila. This is the Shimmer and Glow in the shade La Douce. And this is like a dark green. Ooh! I love this color. That's what it looks like. I'll put that name right here too because I do not know how to pronounce it. And the last thing I got is from Saturday Skin. So they sent like these little packs. I wish I got that little rubber ducky, and I really am excited because I've been wanting to try Saturday Skin for a while now, but I want to like try multiple things. Let's come with a cute little lollipop. Let's see what we got. There's a little pack. This is the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. We actually have this in my Sephora and I need to give it a try, so I'm glad I got that packet. I got the Freeze Frame Beauty Essence. It infuses skin with rich moisture, boosting elasticity and firmness. So this is an essence. I love their packaging, so cute. And then I got the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. They sent a packet and a little tube of that. I guess I'll try the packet first and then decide whether or not I'm keeping the little tube. Then the Featherweight Daily Moisturizing Cream. I love this card though. Look how cute. I saw some people get like a PR package that has that rubber duck in it, and I was like, oh, I want that one. But that is everything I got in my gratis for the month of May. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about the products mentioned, then comment down below and I'll be glad to try to answer all of your questions for you. Definitely be sure to leave me a thumbs up if you like seeing these type of videos. And also don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you in my little YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.